Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you guys can see, we are going to be rocking this beautiful hairstyle, natural hairstyle. As you guys already know, it's quick and easy. If you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, you better stop right there and subscribe before you continue watching this video, okay? Anyways, so without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video, okay? Alright guys, so I'm starting out on stretched hair. You guys know the drill. It's moisturized and all that good stuff. And this is the hair I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna be using shining gel. I use little shining gems. So yeah. Anyway, so this is what my hair is looking like, and I'm just gonna separate the hair. This style is very quick and it's really easy, guys. So I'm just separating the hair because I just need the hair in the middle of my head, like in front but in the middle. So I'm gonna use a rat tape comb to separate my hair and do my lines or whatever. Guys, I'm not the best at the lines, but I try my best. So yeah. So once I'm done with my lines, I'm just got my line. It's just one line. I don't know why I'm calling it lines. It's just one line, not even a line, like a round line, whatever. Just gonna go ahead and brush the rest of the hair and put it in a ponytail, like so. Okay, I'm just making sure my hair is laying really nice. I've gotten into the habit of I'm really trying not to put too much stress on my hair. So I'm trying, styles that are not very putting too much stress on my hair. So we'll see how that goes, guys, but we'll see. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in a ponytail. And then using the shining gem, I'm just gonna use that a little bit on the sides and make sure it's nice and sleek, but not too sleek because I'm not trying to pull my hair or any of that, but I still want it to lay nice and I want the hair to look as natural. I'm not trying to make it look too sleek. I'm not trying to change the texture, okay? And then I'm gonna go over that with the brush like so. Guys, you have to forgive me. You're gonna see at the end I forgot to brush my kitchen hair as always. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna go in front and I'm just separating the hair into two. Okay, and then I'm just twisting one part of the hair, but that's just like at the tips like so, and then I'll do that, tuck it in, okay, and use a bobby pin. So this part I'm doing like the roll pin and tack, roll, tack and pin, whatever. Okay, method is just in front. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'll do the same on the other side, just twisting the tip of my hair. Guys, I really need to trim my hair. I don't know if I wanna do it myself or go to the salon, but we'll see. But yeah, I went ahead and did the same on the other side, and that's it. I don't know what to call this hairstyle, but we'll see. And then I'm just gonna use a hair tie to tie this hair together. I'm using Mali hair, as you guys already saw, and I'm just gonna attach that to my ponytail. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the bun in the back, okay, and then I'll just wrap that around my bun. It's so easy. And then to do the bubble ponytail, okay, I'm gonna use rubber bands, the small rubber bands, and I'm using 2 of them at a time, like so. And I think I had like maybe 6. I don't remember. You guys will see. But yeah, just make sure you choose the style, the size of the bubble that you want. Obviously, the further down you go, it's gonna get smaller because the hair is not as full, okay? Okay, you just have to be careful to make sure that it's not getting caught up as you're doing that, so that you have, like, you know, nice little bubbles going on. All right, and that's it. That's all I did. That's the finished look. That's the end of the video. It's such an easy hairstyle, and I like the hairstyle. I feel like it's different, but I still like it. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, I have to try that. So I really love the hairstyle. Like I say, I forgot my kitchen, but that's okay. Okay, and I love this hair. The hair that I attach to my hair because it's natural looking. I usually use Mali hair when I'm not like really slicking down my hair, so it's perfecto. Okay, and this is how it looks in front. I like that. Okay, it is so cute. I love the hairstyle. Like I said, it's so easy, and that's what I love about it. I just love easy hairstyles. Okay, all right, so this is it for this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment below and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.